exposition a no agade ogade egu omo ajojo nchijo since iji wee nọba Biafra Repression Army ESN that what and that go about ndị a na-akpọ men on skirt. I guess in Enubeya, and then where some of you know go there. So, Obudi go about men on skirts. If I know about the men on skirts, the first person buffet, then Unye or anyone blah blah, and the rest of them. But only cheapy in here today bo fit. Metan, I will take my time. Call on their profile from A to Z of them, but can be done a faith. Man, before we go about faith, only go the advice in China. Obuna HNO why. Obuna be for your love. Bona Ihube Okigwe and Utulu. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. From Omazadi 15 years up. And another thing, Obuneno in diaspora, Gono Maka Nona this area Mpola Napa, Ihube, Okigwe, Utulu, Gona Hanapa on TikTok. Be very careful because you may end up endangering not only yourself, including your family, because most of them both men on skates. Now, let's talk about faith. This faith in a manner by the ESN at age of 16. And the Kelka faith is where by ESN. Mama faith Nele restaurant. Or almost, let's call it beer parlor. Ema no mwaya nele beer parlor. Eba na tampo di tanka. Ono mwije. As a matter of fact, Mama Faith Budo ESN member. And what happened? Faith no katawewa mea. Ni acho e join ESN. Mea say no efedima. And the reason Mia do Fedima, Mia will also want to protect her business. Makana gentle her, na be na nke man, and no man and the line. So on one faithful day, gentle her je na nke ba faith. Mocha man na faith we chola her je. Because faith tribal ESN soda. Mwe faith Luther. If it is ML faith, bona gentle jigon wine.
We bopo faith ifo jiburu wine nya buzo wela ya.
Faith. After ka gentle de ya.
Bopu chalu faith.
Faith. Gentle bido use faith as inspired. From there, gentle kuzielu faith into a use. AK
Obelebe
and the rest of them. To the extent, na gentle kuzil faith into a say detonate and into a amount IEDs. So the first text ML faith bona abotalo nyami na campo gentle well nyed faith wesia obo na choibo executioner or the king of the girls. That's Nende men on skate. Go well the elbow. Babu the onyami. 15 years elbow see onyami. Babu onyami immediately. Some of you will get that. How do I know all this? Don't worry. I will link you to how I know all this. Before you know it, King Spider butter into the case of this faith and the gentle. King Spider will be the track about faith and the gentle and the rest of them. Before you know it, we arrested faith. When the faith arrest, Abu General faith no beans about. So after some time, Faith not with the military, no business. Faith will help all the military. We lead the one operation Agam and Kejentu. Where he had Mbanke bu Bambam Buo Biggie and the Buo Escobar. And they recovered a whole lot of weapons. Now, Mbanke this operation, these people now with faith. Mbana Spider, our lead. Bido Yobandami. They should retain faith. In fact, all the possible, because of how tasty faith is when it comes to you, I say, okay, let's rehabilitate her. Then, near a small place called where they take care of things. Instead of sending our back to their place. Ndami Obinza said, no, I have faith. Faith now. Now, before I have faith, Makafeti lead very successful operation. And then Ndami they happy. Spider Yogido Ndami Sino. If a spider may bo, spider will faith was here. Nyan 100,000. Manabiko, Enago, Nemana, your mother, be a very dangerous woman, not part of ESN. So don't go there because they guy bad. Nansum Gate. Now, Faith will resume the annually. Nandami happen again now. Now one will general Ben Mia. Gentle the Yahoo will send them daughter have a water faith. Mbapon faith. Lieutenant Camp. Gentle the Yahoo will send a faith. But no one a faith at all Kiabue. Don't we faith again. Na faith in Malapa. Into spiders to a track, video where much. Now no we separate one track and dame. But they have to the camp. Faith what I say okay. Ni familiar. Boniage me. Kiabam to ya is well on dame to their camp. Even some of our personnel, some of them. Now they're unprofessional. Now their line of duty. And it's very bad and very dangerous. Not that it's only very bad, it's very, very dangerous. Mwe faith no no beans. Go some of our personnel. Na faith na you know na half of Pariamana and Africa na go way some of our go. Now if a faith mebo, faith bido, well on damia, and I shot. But I one day, faith in their appointment, no kiwe. Now, ndami better. So true, ndami mother now, or you know, where's okay, Kahaga for faith. Before he looked at the location, every faith igwara, faith senior knows ever have batawa never one neacho. Ka commander hafia no apia yet. So habata ndame imago nde were problem of food. Some of them, just some of them were very big problem of food too. Now ndame babanime before you know it about 5 or 6 ESM members in Mafia Mapata. Manema go ndame. Onyame will not just buy like that. Ndo ndame Nandi yes well no for some minutes. Ndi yes afugo no. Nandamia abro ndi hage me we fedenia. If ndi yes mebo. Ha walu di tu ndame. Bobu hanabo instantly. Ntu anwa ka faith you will retain on her position with gentle day. As I'm talking to you, faith can honor into this nonsense Biafra restoration of a thing with gentle. But if I know about the reason or the wedika insecurity and happens. Because now get somebody. If you don't want to send the person to God for judgment, Why can't you rehabilitate the person and return the person? Don't allow the person to go back home. How do you think the girl, even mad here, and this girl, the first time up by Nimofia, who spent go to 3 years, 3 good years, Nimofia before Potter, for the very first time. How do you think now under few weeks, they are going to no manga back to the camp? If I know where borrow, what happened? All borrow, now the military, know what they're supposed to do. Again, we need the cafe today. Now, let's go to the other person. Onyenka, bo enyumai olubelbelo. Onye obube. Oho ihube, obube, right? I hope now what the pronunciation. Now, this girl, King Spider, picked by this girl. At the middle of night, ebe this girl no na eye gari, oge buje na camp gentle. Because all the girl na camp gentle bo recruit ndị a na-agbo the men on skate. That's all why idea. Nyana ndị gentle yedine. Or if or her specialty. This girl was picked later on or promise no person in the military. And as I'm talking to you, the girl is back to their camp. If I had to say thank you, had to buy him and I think last month. And this girl in the manner, they was brutal as fate. And these other ones, I don't at this video to go. So, I have to go there and these two. The other ones, I want to talk time to explain to you on your habit. But before I end this very exposition, actually, our people, especially our men, to be very, very careful. A monopoly no mine no keyboard, mazia, one side. Open a had 20. Gentle de Yahoo, a dinago, never was so dinago 8. The other commanders here, in the London gentle, a dinago ebe 10. If a car for 2%. And that 2% for him will be opportunity to go to the camp. Amaram can gently tell sugar no to you. But the thing about be very careful. Be very careful. The reason why OJUD very difficult, or they call is in fact or they're difficult because today, Imo state government they ready will deliver gentle. But the reason OJUD called it difficult, e.g. the gentle, but because of these teenage girls they are using, because you will not suspect them. On TikTok, go to mommy died, you will not suspect them. Some of you they just make camera down. You will not suspect them. But by the end of the day, it's not your uncle, not have a plan. If you want to take one, in a jaw fresh one. He a fresh, you know, fresh near yourself in trouble. So be very careful. Be very, very careful. And we must continue.